I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good omelet. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to achieving that perfect golden brown finish. Making a great omelet is simpler than you might think, and with a few key steps, you'll be whipping up impressive breakfasts in no time. Get ready to elevate your morning meal with this easy-to-follow guide. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs per omelet. For a lighter, fluffier texture, whisk in about 1 tablespoon of milk or water. Don't forget your fillings. Shredded cheese, diced ham, or sautéed vegetables work wonderfully. Have everything ready before you start cooking, as an omelet cooks quite quickly. Now for the cooking. Heat a non-stick pan about 8 inches in diameter over medium-low heat. Add 1 teaspoon of butter and let it melt until it just begins to foam. Pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs set for about 30 seconds, then gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Once the top is mostly set but still a little moist, add your desired fillings to 1/2 of the omelet. Gently fold the other half over, creating a perfect crescent shape. Carefully slide your beautiful omelet onto a plate and serve immediately. For more great kitchen tips and other deals, check the description below for links, including one for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Enjoy your delicious, homemade omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.